Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share my preparation journey for Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification exam. So this certification consists of a basic or foundation level certification that is aimed at all the software developers or business analysts or both the technical and non-technical people can pursue this certification. So let's go through it. So the resources that I had used for this exam are as follows. First is the Google's Learning Path on Cloud Skill Boost. The second, this one consists of 6 courses, and all of which cover basics of the Google Cloud and basics of all the services that are present on Google Cloud. Secondly, it was the Plural Sites Cloud Digital Leader Learning Path. This also has the same courses as given in the Google Cloud Digital Learning Path given by the Cloud Skill Boost. Also, there is one more course. There is the 6-hour course from Free Code Camp. You can follow any one of these three. I had personally followed this one, and the Cloud Skill Boost, and I had found it quite useful. Also, there is the recent one launched by Free Code Camp. You can also explore this one. So this one were used for the learning purpose. Like these all, this certification will cover all the basics of will need you to cover the basics of the services, Google Cloud services that are present, as well as what is the need of Google Cloud, the difference between the private cloud, public cloud, hybrid, and so on, and all the foundational level things. Also in terms of security and deployment, application development, and all of those stuff. But the foundational level. So let's go ahead with the preparation resources for practicing. So there's a website called as Exam Topics, and that you'll also find the Cloud Digital Leader certification questions. So these questions were very helpful for practicing purpose. Also, there are few YouTube videos which consist of MCQs around 150 200 MCQs for practice for this exam. Also, some of the websites have the free practice test. I've also prepared a video earlier wherein I've also provided some websites and links which have free practice test. I'll also link the video in the description so you can check that out. So, about my experience. So, this exam consists of 1.5 hours, and it has 50 questions that are to be attempted in 1.5 hours or 90 minutes. So, and the passing criteria, which is not officially given by Google, but it is around 75 to 80%. So, a good target would be around getting 40 questions at least correctly. Also, most of the questions on this, as per my experience, they were based on the fundamentals, like the fundamentals of each of the services. They were, and these were mostly theoretical, around 50%, and around 30 to 35% were scenario or application based. Like we have to apply all the concepts in a particular scenario. Like you'll be given to design some load balancer, or you'll be given to like creating some security, what should be the best practices for security or deployment purposes, and so on. And 15 to 20 were kind of miscellaneous, I'll say. So miscellaneous are based on the recent trends or the concepts or like definitions and so on. But mostly it was on fundamentals. So I would suggest like to go to be thorough with the fundamentals by going through the learning resources given in this video, or as per your choice as well. And yeah, then you're good to go. Also, I had opted for a offline exam center experience, so I had scheduled it for a offline center. So my experience was good with the center. Like I had to reach around at least 15 minutes before my scheduled time as per given in the email. Also, we need also for the offline test center, we need to take the printout of the email in which it consists of our exam time as well as the center and our name and everything, and the test taker's code. Also, we need to take 2 identity proofs, any one of which can be your Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, and your company's identity card or student identity card, and so on. but you need to have two address proofs for that. And the test center was quite calm, and I was able to attempt the exam very nicely. Also, I'd suggest like learn and practice solving MCQs, like how to eliminate different stuff, how to get to the most correct answer by eliminating options, by putting on different logic. You can try to see videos on that and also practice that stuff, as that would be helpful in solving the MCQs. Also, the exam is of 90 minutes, so once you click the submit button, you'll be able to see the result as to your pass or failed. It will not give you the correct score that you have got in the exam, but once you get it as passed, then around it will take 2 to 3 days to for the official mail from the Google to come from Credly. Actually, like you'll receive a email from Credly regarding you have earned the Cloud Digital Leader badge, and this is the link to download your certificate in the Gmail ID that you have registered with. And you can download that, and then you can share it with others on LinkedIn and any other places as well. Also, the certification is valid for 3 years, so it's good to pursue this and learn about foundations of Google Cloud. Yeah, that was it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can always comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer anyone to the best of my ability. And also, if you like the video, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more videos on the concepts and tutorials regarding cloud, Spring Boot, DSA, system design, and all of that stuff that I'm currently learning. And I like to share it with you all as well. Also, if you have any other tips or anything, or if you have recently given this exam, then you can also share your experience in the comment section. That will be helpful for the community and for the viewers as well. Thanks all. Bye.